My people, God of Hebrew women, don't do am for Otweytwe and her husband as they welcome their baby girl. Omo, she took up to her Instagram page to announce the arrival of her baby girl. Say, thank you, Baba God, for answering my prayer. It's a baby girl. Omo, I connect to you watching this video. If you are one of them where they look for fruit of the womb, as you're watching this video and rejoicing with her, your own is on the way. I am so happy for her. She's a very happy child. You can never see any negative energy around Otweytwe. Everything about her is just positivity. And now why Baba God just the bless am right, front, center, everywhere. Let's take a look at the pictures where she take. I must confess, she really humbled pregnancy. Take a look at her now. Fine girl. Ononogo, Omasaho, Odogu's wife. And I'm pretty sure her pikin harmony will resemble her. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. You see how me boy girl Cindy. Oh yeah, na bye.
I wake up, body can't they pay me. Like say maybe a farm for the sleep. Now see I go do massage omo. Baby girl don't ready now. I don't forget my umbrella. This sun these days Hey. Now so I can't remember say I never take my medicine. You know as a pregnant woman now you be taking daily supplements. Omo, when it comes to medicine, I'm not a big girl. I'm not a big girl. Hey, we're first to sign of the cross. Oh, yeah, drink up. Ew. You don't go. Oh, you don't enter. So I don't dey road though. We don't enter road. Then the boom. I don't reach na so I sight this fine hair. The hair just they call me, buy me. Now so I say I am not here to buy hair. I am here to do massage. Now so I go upstairs. Very nice setting. So if you want to pedicure, manicure na that place, they come tell me say na here now I want to do massage. I say hey, say as the place makes sense. Now so I come dey enjoy myself. They massage me. God, they even massage my leg. No be small thing. This one they massage my brain. I just they feel am. Ew. After like 1 hour of massaging, hey, body tell me I can't feel myself. Baby girl, show them, give God, give them. E for energy. Mom, I no go believe what happen. I don't finish, man. They go house so. Now so I still see this hair. The just they call me. Now I tell the lady, make the lady give me a bag. Make sure allow my blood flow where I buy him.
Hold on. Director.
Yes?
Hope say she brushed today. Make she no use method to keep person.
Hey, don't worry. We came prepared.
You like what you see?
Jesus.
Let's have it.
What is this?
It is that.
Why I never said it. Just start.
Can I know my friends?
What? I go come here just now. Stop fire, see the crest.
Cut. Nice one, perfecto. So you are taking our next shot.
Let's see the world I will do this one. Come on,
wait, now Babalo won't shoot this shot.
Hey!
You fit take spiritual shot?
Oh yeah, I'm back.
Before people will come here.
Mr. Director, which kind of camera angle be this?
What be this?
Jesus, my brain one blow.
Camera rolling.
They play.
Action! Don't panic. I will take the shot myself. You dey use your function to play. You dey use your generation to play. Camera rolling. Action! Are you playing? Director.
What have I done myself?
Who else can take this camera and pick shot angle?
Which class joined this your own?
Help me!
You?
I do not like